Hey everyone, welcome back to the cabin. And today I'm going to talk about something simple, but we use it every day in our little business. And these are these 7 by 5 by 4 inch boxes that we use as mailers and storage. Now we do a little bit of video game reselling, and sometimes we sell game controllers, and these are the perfect size for that. Now obviously these mailers come in multiple different sizes, but these 7 by 5 by 4s are perfect for what we needed. So we went ahead and picked some up. When flattened, they're really easy to store. They don't take up a lot of space because they are thin. And that is one thing that I will warn you about. When you look at the sides of these boxes, they are relatively thin. So you want to make sure you pad things well inside these. Or another option is once you put something inside of it, put it into another box. But for what we use them for, I just put bubble wrap around the controller, tape these up, and these are perfect little mailers. And the 4x6 stickers, they fit perfectly on the outside of these. But what you want to know is would I recommend them or would I buy them again? We would absolutely recommend these. We've bought these multiple times, we've mailed items in these multiple times, and we've had zero issue with them. Again, the one thing I would be aware of is that the corrugated box itself is kind of thin, but as long as you're aware of that and you pack your items appropriately or you repack these into other boxes, you're not going to have any issues. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.